So I was actually in the process of drawing this butterfly from scratch. I looked at different butterfly pictures and I said, okay, well, I want a big one to draw from scratch. So I started drawing it, but then I said I never really captured me drawing from scratch. What you guys see is usually me tracing over my drawing, which I had already lined up in pencil. So I'm saying, okay, this could be something a little different where I can show exactly how my process is in terms of freehand drawing, and I can probably show you guys too when I'm looking at stuff on my computer. At another time I'll probably show you guys when I'm looking at stuff and drawing it, to show you the image that I'm looking at and how I am translating it. This thing is not pretty, guys. This it's a lot of work, and it's also a lot of erasing because I am not a professional. So just bear with me. So let's see. So I already started. If you can see, this stuff is printed out from in the back. So I already started the first wing here. I did the base of the caterpillar. So I'm just gonna kind of draw by ear based on where I did the others. I'm wondering if you can actually see that. I'm gonna show you guys what I was looking at to draw this butterfly. Actually, I drew this butterfly in my last bullet journal, but I never did anything with it. I never colored it, I never traced it. So I decided to do it again. So this is my last mode tracker, and I did this, but I never, as I said, I never did anything with it. So I'm gonna be watching this as my reference and then drawing it here. I don't have anything to put it to stand up. I wish I had, but you guys wouldn't be able to see it anyways because of the angle of the computer. So I'm watching this and I'm gonna try to do it over, right? So like I said, there's a lot of erasing. The place is hot and my hand just started sweating, so I need to put on the fan. Right, so this coming somewhere here. This is definitely not going as how the last one is. I think it's with the page. So that's something like that. Let me turn on this fan because my hand just started sweating because I cleaned it a while ago. TMI. So, I don't know why I never took off the plastic on the eraser. Well, the paper on the eraser. I had the paper on the eraser so long it was a hard mess, but it was easy to work with. It didn't bother me that much. Right, so now I'm going to try the other side. You know, I have to try to make this as even as possible. So I actually think this is not drawn in the center, so I'm going to start a little in here and I will have to rub off. Yep, just as I suspected. So there is more on one side, so I'll have to make this a little slimmer. You guys see the process. Like I said, it's freehand. There is no measurement of this thing. So put the eyes there, the antlers. Right. There's no measurement of this thing, so I just have to go with the flow and hope that it looks okay. As you can see, I'm kind of like making a lot of strokes. I really like drawing that way because it kind of looks a little more natural, I think, and it gives you like what should I say, a type of, yeah, I think it lessens the rigidity of the drawing and makes it more natural. So yeah, I have the base of my butterfly there, and all these other things I'm gonna leave them like that, and whenever I'm tracing it over, I just trace over whatever, or try to get the main part that I want. Yeah, sometimes I use this eraser, and this has been the pencils that I've been drawing. Hubby had a pack of it. It's HB2 pencils by this brand, and I really love these pencils. I have been using them for a few years now, and they've come in really handy. I do have a mechanical pencil that I bought. I was to show you guys in a stationery haul so long ago, but I didn't. I forgot it. I did the haul, but I didn't remember to put it in. So yeah, this is my butterfly. Now, because this is a mood tracker, my last one had lines, and I'm not sure if I want to go back with that. I'm thinking I want to do circles, so I'm thinking how I can put this strategically to make like a pattern. So I'm gonna do like different circles. I can do 4 on each side. Like I said, I want a pattern. Alright, so this one. Right. And then I can do 5 on this bottom one. Okay, I think I want them to kind of line up a bit. So, right, so I'll draw this one here. Okay, so that's kind of alright. So we have 18 holes. I need to get 30, so I can probably do some around here. 1, 2, right. I can do 2 here. I really like how this look. I'll think about it, then come back and show you. Right, so I'm gonna stay with this pattern, and yeah, I got my 30 days, so I'll just number them. So what I'll do is number them from the inside. Right, I'll number them from the inside. I guess you can't see that.